We all love an ice cold soda, whether it's Coca Cola, Pepsi, or any other soft drink. But have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you drink them every single day? From sugar overload to hidden health risks, today we are breaking down the shocking effects of daily soda consumption, how it impacts your body, and what are the healthier alternatives you should try instead. So, let's get into it. So, what exactly happens when you drink soda every day? So, within the 10 minutes, a can of soda contains around 9 to 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's more than the daily limit recommended by the health experts. Within 20 minutes, your blood sugar spikes, causing an insulin surge. Your liver starts storing excess sugar as fat. Within 40 minutes, caffeine kicks in, increasing your heart rate and the blood pressure, making you feel temporarily energized. And within 1 hour, your body experiences a sugar crash, leaving you tired, sluggish, and craving for more sugar. Now, imagine this situation happening every single day. So, let's look at the long term effects of having soda. So, how soft drink affects your body over time. So, if you are drinking soda over a long period of time, it can lead to weight gain and obesity. Excess sugar gets stored as fat, leading to weight gain over time. Second, increased risk of diabetes. Daily soda consumption is linked to the insulin resistance, increasing your chances of type 2 diabetes. Third risk is tooth decay and cavities. The acid and sugar in sodas break down tooth enamel, leading to cavities and gum disease. Fourth risk is weakened bones. Soft drinks containing phosphoric acid, which can weaken bones by reducing calcium absorption. Fifth risk is heart health risk. Studies show that drinking soda daily can raise cholesterol levels and also increase the risk of heart disease. Sixth is addiction and mental effects. The sugar caffeine combo in sodas creates an addictive cycle affecting the mood, focus, and overall mental health and well being. So, guys, now we know the risk. So, how do we cut back on these soft drinks? First step is reduce gradually. If you drink soda daily, start by cutting down to a few times a week, then switch to once a week. Second step is stay hydrated. Often, soda cravings happen because of dehydration. So, drinking more water can help you. And third step is try infused water. Adding lemon, mint, or cucumber to water makes it more refreshing without the sugar overload. Fourth step is choose sparkling water. If you love carbonations, switch to sparkling water with a splash of natural fruit juice. Fifth step is avoid buying in bulk. The more sodas you have at home, the more you will drink. Keep it out of the sight and out of your mind, so that way you can avoid it. Now let's see the healthier alternatives to soft drinks. First is homemade iced tea. Brew your own tea with natural flavors like honey or lemon for a refreshing and sugar-free drink. Second is kombucha, a probiotic rich, lightly carbonated drink that supports the gut health and also your overall digestion. Third is coconut water, a natural hydrator with electrolytes perfect for replacing sugary sports drinks. Fourth is smoothies. You can also blend fresh fruits with the yogurt or milk for a delicious and nutrient packed drink without the added sugar. Sixth is electrolyte drinks. For energy and hydration, opt for a sugar free electrolyte drinks instead of sugary sodas. So, what are my final thoughts? Drinking soda once in a while isn't harmful, but making it a daily habit can seriously impact your health. From weight gain and diabetes to health risk, soft drinks do more harm than the good. The good news is that there are plenty of delicious and healthy alternatives to enjoy instead. So, you can have them in uh, always in plenty. So what are your alternatives for soft drinks? So drop a comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.